Hey guys, this is Veteran Man Sean here, and I just received my package from Dale's Bearded Dragons. It's gonna be an unboxing vid. I'm thinking, how the hell does this open? Oh, there we go. This box looks like shit though. Hopefully it's not messed up inside. I'll put you guys down real quick. Sorry guys. Alright, so here's the box. It looks retarded. Hey, but it came perfect. Came perfectly fine. $39. This is a Zilla 1000-watt temperature thermostat right there. Oh, and he sent me a free lighting guide. Thanks, Mario and Dale from Dale's Bearded Dragons. Bye, guys.